Hello, party people! I'm Vape Master 69 here. Welcome back to another unboxing. We'll be unboxing the Goon from 528 Custom Vapes and the Nova from Vape with the AS chip. Alright, let's unbox this. I already opened it, so it's not 100% of a mystery for me, just so I could be like more, well, know it all. I'll be vaping on this while we will unbox. Alright, pretty neatly packed. So, first of all, we got the mod. Oop, out of focus. First of all, we got the mod with a beautiful interface, I must say so. Look, as you can see, the interface is pretty damn cool. Plus, minus, well, pretty easy. Amount of puffs. It says the amps, the volts, and watt coil. When you press 3 times, you can select temperature, TCNI, TCSS, TCTI, TCTCR, YPC, bypass, power in watts. So you can change the amount of volts, the amount of amps, and the puffs. You can reset that quite easily. So what do we have under this? Let's see. I never did this, by the way. Usual manual. Let's see the usual manual. 510 connector, firing button, display screen. Yeah, pretty easy. Max 200 volts, 200 watts, 12 volts, 3 ohm, 315 degrees, 8.4 volts input. Wow. It will go to plus 40 degrees, the device itself, and minus 10. Okay. Easy, in different languages. And we have Vape letter. Alright, what's this? Let's see. Come on. This is really hard to get out. Nova 200 watts. A Vape tech, yeah. Warning, do not use this device for anything other. Dry hits warning. And of course, warranty card. Okay, that's pretty neat. Well, I would have liked like thanks for buying our product kind of thing, but yeah, whatever. Alright, so what else is in this baby? We have the user manual, we have the warnings, and of course we do also have this little baby. A cable. Ta-da! It's basically all that it includes. Okay, so that's the Nova. The box is pretty sleek. It's yeah, it's a really pretty box, actually. As you can see, the back, it's just what it includes: contacts, the chip, compact and lightweight power with dual 18650 batteries, and that's basically it. Connector is put like, not really in the middle, but it's like they tried to do it in the middle, but I like it. Batteries, to get those out, you have to do this. Hope. Pretty good magnets, actually. It's, wow. Looks like something Vincent van Gogh would paint. It's pretty, and it's easy to use. Then, next thing. The Goon from 528 Custom Vapes. Okay, what's included? This is what is included with me. Might be different with you. An empty... Yeah, this. Empty. extra O-rings, a key, some extra screws. Yeah, screws. Then the build tech itself, I already built something on it just because I could use it. Just so I could use it, I mean. So let's put this on. Matte black, by the way, with the matte black vape. So as you can see, the blacks are like almost identical. And I really like the effect of that. So it's this type of connector. I'll put it a little closer. Put my hand right there so it will focus on that. As you can see, fires up really quickly. See, almost no time between the firing and non-firing. So, what's also included? This little card with a user manual on it. So, let's read that. If I can just open it, that would be awesome. Okay, it's really hard to open apparently. Okay, I got it. I think I got it. Yeah, I definitely got it now. Okay, user manual. Yeah, it's basically a user manual without the dangers. Yeah, the dangers, incidents with nicotine liquid, precautions for the battery, not for people under 18, non-smokers, pregnant ladies, ladies giving breastfeeding, people with heart diseases, cancer, or anything to do with their lungs, people with an allergy for one of the products. Yeah, basically warning as well. So yeah, let's vape this puppy. So the coils on it are mixed twisted coils, pretty good coils. They're pre-made, obviously. Well, I'm not the best builder. They're pretty neat. Pretty neat coils, I must say so myself. Okay. Yeah, it fires up perfectly. Like, it fires up instantly. The design is pretty. It's sleek. It feels powerful. It doesn't feel like any other mod in your hands because it feels way more powerful. If I could just change the vault, can I do that? Nope, cannot change that. That sucks. Yeah, it's really good. So, but anyway, guys, thank you for watching the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, turn on a bell notification if you want to. Do all of the above, and I would really recommend this mod with this dripper. The Goon with the Nova. Both in matte black is a perfect match.